There are hundreds of projects launching on various chain every day in this crypto space. The Solana chain, the Ethereum chain, the BSC chain, the Base chain, Arbitrum, Polygon, Avalanche, and lots of them. In this video, I'll show you how to write a white paper for a crypto project. This video is an educational and guide video only. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, what you need to do, you need to head over to this, right? You know what this is called. So I'll come on here. I'll type I want I want to launch I want to launch a project on Solana blockchain with the name Hamster Baby. I'll need you to provide a detailed white paper with all the detailed informations, right? So this is what you need to type once you have logged into this. I want to launch a project on Solana blockchain with the name, okay, with the name Hamster Baby. I would need you to provide a detailed white paper with all the detailed informations. Once you have typed in this, you click on this, right? Wait for it to load. So this is the magic, right? This is it. So wait for it to load a bit. It will provide us with the informations we need, everything we need, right? So this is it. So it's currently loading, right? So I'll give it a few seconds. Yeah. So this is how you can write a crypto white paper for any project, right? This is the template. I want to launch a project on Solana blockchain with the name Hamster Baby. I would need you to provide a detailed white paper with all the detailed informations, right? So this is it. Creating a detailed white paper for your Solana blockchain named Hamster Baby involves several key sections, right? Here is an outline and some content for each section to help you get started. So this is the abstract. Hamster Baby is, so this is it. Introduction, project overview, objectives, technical architecture, the technomics, right? Total supply, distribution. The team will take 15%, advisors 5%, community reward 20%. So this is the token symbol, right? HBT. Then this is the roadmap, the founders, advisors, contact info, contact information, right? Conclusion. This is how you can create a crypto white paper for any project on any chain, on Solana, on BSC. So there are lots of projects on here that launches every day, every minute, every second, every hour. So right, you can take advantage of this, take good advantage of this, right? So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.